الذي خلق السبع سماوات طباقا.
It is Allah that made layer upon layer of 7 skis.
ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت.
You do not see in the creation of the most merciful any inconsistency. Perfect creation. It is perfect in that sense that if you say that it can be better that way. One is the destiny Allah has made. According to that, everything is imperfect. Because it dies, one is the frame of reference for it, which is decided by Allah. In which it is perfect, that is the reason why you will see that no scientist have said that in this crocodile, that would be better if this system was present. Scientists will discuss about their systems. That's why the system is present. If not, this will happen. If not this will happen. So ultimately they decide that this is perfect. Doesn't matter that they are saying it that it is by evolution and not by God, they decide it is perfect. In any given circumstances, the weaknesses are there of dying, weakness of getting sick, but what is created is made perfect. Polar bear is created and provided with that skin that protect him from winter. You know that our seas are hot, there are cold seas like Atlantic. The fishes keeps alive in that as well, because ice is only at top. Below that there is 4-degree temperature. If this ice frozen throughout, all fishes die. So how Allah balanced this system? Everything is balanced, but the balance is with weaknesses. This cannot happen that fish comes out of water. No living being that is on land can free themselves of oxygen. That ability is not present in them. For God, oxygen is not necessary because God has no weaknesses. We need oxygen. We can't stop breathing for more than 3 minutes. That is our weakness. This is a separate topic. These are conformities. Anyway, Allah is saying that any creature that you are seeing, find any problem in any of them, in that given circumstances, this should be better for them. Like nose will look beautiful in that place instead of that. Or instead of twice what I hear will look beautiful. Come up with a problem like this. Not at all.
فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
Allahu Akbar. So look again, do you see any flaws in this perfection?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Yeah, turn thy vision upon it again and yet again, and every time thy vision will fall back upon thee, dazzled and truly defeated. You can't find any problem in Allah's creations in this regard in that given circumstances. The problems are attached. The way the human is made, its stomach system, the heart system. No one can think more perfect than this. No matter plants or galaxies. No one can think better than that. Sir, this is the introduction of Almighty Allah. So how can people commit shirk? What is the status of a person whose height is 6 feet? Who cannot control his urine? Who cannot control his heart? Who cannot be freed from sleep? Who cannot be freed from hunger? How can he associate with Allah? If Allah is introduced, not at all.
بديع السماوات والأرض.
He is the originator of the heavens and the earth.
البديع السماوات والأرض.
He created heavens and earth without map. He did creation ex nihilo, which means creating things by himself without any material samples. This is the only quality of Allah. Man is also a Khaliq, creator. Man is a creator in the sense that he made a table or a chair out of wood. But man can never create wood. A seed is created by Allah. From it grows a tree. Allah says that I am the creator who creates things by himself without any sample of materials. So Allah is the creator and also al-Bari. Allah is the creator who created man from clay. And Allah is al-Bari, that clay did not exist and He created clay without any sample of materials. This is the only quality of Allah. Whatever man is creating, he is creating by using what Allah has created. But whatever Allah is creating, he is creating things by himself without any sample of materials. This is called creation ex nihilo. Making a thing which never existed without any template. And to do something for Allah does not require much effort.
وَإِذَا قَضَى أَمْرًا
When he decrees a matter,
فَإِنَّمَا يَقُولُ لَهُ كُنْ فَيَكُونُ.
he simply tells it, be and it is. Well, from his saying that be and it is, he himself defines its time period. Keep this in mind. If he desires, it should be done immediately, and if desires, the process should be started immediately and its result came after some time. As he has united all things with it. For example, the creation of human could have been created in 1 day or 1 second from the marital relationship of a man and a woman. For this, he set a period of 9 months. For elephant, he set a period of 22 months. And for chicken, he set a period of 21 days. And rabbits give birth every month. Someone says immediately, sir, it is also COVID-19 bacteria. These bacteria reproduce within seconds. There is a bacterium. It does not need 1,000 days, 1,000 minutes, 1,000 seconds to produce 1,000 bacteria. This is also what Allah has placed in this world. Not understand this, that to do kun fayakun immediately is problem for Allah. No. Whatever time period He Allah liked and maintained,